Amazing today on the 15th of July 2025.
Asuntoskeittiö Kerinkorkea.
It's Huippukatu 3-5, staircase A here in Liipola, Lahti, Finland. We have also filmed the staircases B and C here. And we also, is it D, E and F? We have filmed D also?
No.
No, it's D, E, F also?
Yeah.
Yeah, so after this is only the staircases D, E and F left.
Yeah.
It was built in 1973 by ValmetSchlieren and its embrace VS 3266. Let's explosion and capacity is 4 garages at the 20 crimson to rights here. Sounds like fan sounds heard from the 1990s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eens dit pakje wijs, dat met dit balkon.
Yeah, that's it, and thank you very much for watching. And I hope that we can get to the staircases D, E and F as soon as possible.
That's